Project Presentation PSN1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amira Binti Azman. Matrix number CN19019. In this video, I will present about my project title, which is Automated Tempeh Packaging Machine, bending part. My supervisor is Puan Dalila Binti Muhammad Harun. So, in this presentation, the main point is the introduction of the project, which is problem statement, objective, scope, and project significance. Chapter 2, which is literature review, tempeh, type of tempeh packaging, manual process of tempeh packaging, automated process of tempeh packaging. And then a methodology, which is automated tempeh packaging machine, and also project design. So for chapter 1, for the introduction, okay, the first one is problem statement. The problem statements of the project is first is the manual packaging process of tempeh packaging require more work, and also more work, which is more step, such as from paper cutting, soybean feeder, for paper folder, writing, bending process. So the original packaging process takes a longer time and require more work. So when they are hiring a more worker, it will make the price of the tempeh will go higher. And also, the lastly is currently in the industry, there is no existing machine that pack tempeh by using craft paper. They only there is only machine that pack tempeh by using plastic. So the objective of this project is first is to design a mechanism of bending part for the automated tempeh packaging machine. Second is to fabricate the bending part for the automated tempeh packaging machine. And lastly is to automate the mechanism of bending part for the automated tempeh packaging machine. Okay, move on to the next slide is the scope study for this project. Okay, first is this project is to develop a prototype of tempeh packaging machine that can help and solve problems of small traders. Second is to design bending part by using SolidWorks software. So this machine will be simulated and controlled with the help of Arduino. So lastly, for the scope study is the targeted company for this product is a small company that produces tempeh. So move on to the next slide. Okay, for the project significant. So this project is to produce a machine that can improve the performance of producing tempeh. So the second one is to saving times and also increase the worker efficiency. So all of this will contribute for a better economy. So okay, for the literature review of this project is I will explain a little bit about tempeh. Okay, so tempeh is a food that is originally from Indonesia. So tempeh, the making process of tempeh is the soybean will first wash, then boil and dry. After that, after the packaging process, it will be fermented. So tempeh is good for health, such as, for example, it is high in minerals that are good for bones. So next is types of tempeh packaging. So there are three types of tempeh packaging, which is by using leaf, plastic, and craft paper. So for the first one, by using leaf, packaging by using leaf is a traditional way to pack or wrap the tempeh. So when using leaf, it will give you a better taste and aroma to the tempeh. So by using leaf, it is easy to fold, but the disadvantage by using leaf is that Leaf nowadays is difficult to find. So if want to produce a large amount of tempeh, um, cannot use leaf because it will be in a limited amount. So for the second type is plastic. So plastic type packaging is the common types in packaging tempeh. So plastic is easy to wrap, to pack, because you only need to pour the soybean into the plastic and seal the plastic. So plastic packaging tempeh only sold in an air conditioner area because it is a bit hard to take care of. So lastly, the third type of packaging tempeh is craft paper. So craft paper is biodegradable, so it is environmental friendly lah. So um, craft paper is made from a plant fiber that that has no toxic compound, so it is safer and more hygienic. So the last one is when using craft paper, it is easier to find. So for it, so the craft paper is the most suitable types to pack a tempeh. So move on to the next slide is a manual process of tempeh packaging. So the manual process of the packaging start with paper cutting. So there we cut the paper of the desired size, and then we will go through the soybean filling process, then into the paper folding process, and lastly for the bending process by using rubber band. Okay, move on. Okay.
So this is the manual process of tempeh packaging process. So this video is taken when we are going to site visit.
Okay, move on to the automate process of tempeh packaging machine. Tempeh packaging. So automate process of tempeh packaging can pack tempeh or any other product fast and efficiently. So it will save more time than manual packaging, but currently in the industry, automated tempeh packaging machine only can pack tempeh by using plastic. There is no existing machine that can pack tempeh by using craft paper. So the next slide is Automated Tempeh Packaging Machine. So in this project, there is 4 stage of tempeh packaging machine. So for the first stage is paper supply, second stage is soybean feeder, third stage is paper folding, and last stage is rubber banding. So for my project, I will focusing on the bending part, which consists of 2 parts, which is rubber band supplier and bending part. So in this project, we are focusing on using rubber band as the bending material to tie the tempeh, as it is the best way to tie the wrap tempeh. So this slide is the sketching of the full design of the bending part. Consists of conveyor, frame with hooks, rail, and the rubber band supplier. So we will the conveyor. So the process will start with the conveyor that will move the wrap tempeh. Then the frame with hook will move back and forth to grab a single rubber band, and then we'll go back to the conveyor to tie the tempeh. Then for the rubber band supplier, the threaded rod will rotate and the comb will separate the rubber band one by one. And so this is the details of rubber band supplier, the sketching and the design by SolidWorks. So rubber band supplier will equip with bolts that for a motor to rotate the threaded rope. Next is the design of frame with hooks, which is the hook at the frame will move with the help of pneumatic system, and the rail will be moving, and the frame will be moving on the rail uh, with equipped with that will equipped with motor. So lastly, okay, for the expected result. So I hope that this machine will help the small industry in tempeh packaging machine, the tempeh packaging process. So secondly is with the existence of the machine, it will save more time and replace labor. So I hope that we will move forward to modernization. Thank you.